In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export video in Google Vids. To get started, open Google Vids and sign into your Google account, then open the project you want to export. Before you download anything, take a moment to make sure your video is actually finished. This is important because exporting is usually the final stage, so you want everything looking and sounding right before you create the final file. Go through your project and confirm that all scenes are complete, your text and graphics are correct, and your audio is properly synchronized. Also check that any transitions and animations play the way you expect. Small issues are much easier to fix now than after the file has already been exported and shared. Once that looks good, click the preview button and watch the video from start to finish. This full preview helps you catch things you might miss while editing, like timing problems, inconsistent text placement, or an animation that feels too fast or too slow. If you notice anything off, make those final adjustments before moving on. Google Vids typically saves your work automatically, but it's still a good idea to pause for a second and make sure your latest edits have synced successfully. That way, you know the version you're exporting includes all of your recent changes. Next, look to the upper right corner of the editor and find the export option, the download option, or the more options menu shown as 3 dots. Depending on the version you see, the export controls may appear a little differently, but this is where you'll begin creating the video file. If export settings are available, choose the options that best fit your needs. This may include video quality, resolution, and sometimes file format. Higher quality settings usually give you a better looking video, but they can also increase file size and processing time, so choose based on where you plan to share the video. After that, click Export Video or Download Video to start the rendering process. Now you'll need to wait while Google Vids processes the project. The time this takes can vary depending on the length of your video, the number of scenes, any animations or effects you've used, and even your internet connection speed. When processing is complete, download the finished video file to your computer, then open the file and review it carefully. Check the video quality, audio quality, scene transitions, text readability, and overall playback performance to make sure everything exported correctly. Once you've verified that the final video looks good, you're ready to share it. You can upload it to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, or use it on a company website or in an online presentation, and that's how to export video in Google Vids.